Now we will see some more questions of the picking. In the last lecture, we discussed about what are the some of the basics of the picking. We discussed two numericals of that also. Now we will see one more numerical of which type it says the loom speed is 300 rpm and the angle for picking is 120 degree with a reed width of 2 meter and the shuttle length is 2.25 meter. The length that the shuttle travels before picking is 20 centimeter and the mass of the shuttle is zero point 0.5 kg. Then the force on shuttle would be, you have to calculate the force. So how this force will be calculated, we will have to see some basics of physics for this. So what it actually says that the things that are given are n is equal to 300 rpm, angle for picking is theta is equal to 120 degree, reed width is 2 meter, shuttle length is 0.25 meter, length it travels before picking. Suppose it travels before picking here, matlab it have to travel some distance, pick have to travel some distance, after that it is inserted. Here actual picking weft, warp cross weft have to be inserted, so this distance is 20 centimeter. Mass of the shuttle mass is 0.5 kg. Force on the shuttle, force you have to calculate at with how much force shuttle strikes the warp yarn so that the weft is inserted directly. So we have to calculate it accordingly. So what we have to calculate, we have to calculate the velocity. Then with the help of the velocity we can calculate somehow link with the force. So you know the formula of velocity is 6 n r plus l upon theta. 6 times n is 300, r plus l is 2.25 upon theta is 120 degree. If you will calculate, then it will come out to be in meter per second. If you will calculate, then it will surely come out to be 33.75 meter per second or something like that. So the calculation is not the objective, just we need to understand what the actual meaning is. We have found the velocity. So you know that when the shuttle will strike, this is the final velocity with which it strikes, and the initial velocity would be zero because the shuttle starts from zero, and then the shuttle gains some velocity, and after when it gains the velocity, then it strikes with a certain amount of force. Then finally the weft is inserted in this way. So we have to come basics to the class 10th physics, because initially the velocity u is initial velocity, v is final velocity. We have learned in our academics three equations of motion. What are the three equations of motion? V is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, and v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Here v and u are given, so we will use third equation of motion. Using third equation of motion, we can say that v square is equal to u square plus 2as. S is what? The distance that it travels. Since we have to take it in meter, we will take it in meter. V's final velocity is 33.75 whole square. U is 0 plus 2 times acceleration is how much? Acceleration we do not know. And S is how much? 20 upon 100 meter. So in this way we can calculate the acceleration. Acceleration would be 2.847 meter per second square, or something like that, second square. Now we have calculated the acceleration. Now the formula for force is what? This we have also learned in our school time. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Then force, mass is 0.5 kg, and this you will calculate 2.8, then force is 1.42 or something like that. So this is the final velocity force that it would strike onto. Force in Newton, we can say that. So this is how the questions are framed and designed in this way.